Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make lollipop sticks. First, gather your materials. You'll need food-grade wooden skewers or sturdy paper straws, ensuring they are strong enough to support your candy. A clean, flat workspace is also essential for a smooth process. We'll focus on simple, accessible items you likely have or can easily find. This method is perfect for homemade treats. Next, let's prepare your sticks. If using wooden skewers, cut them to a consistent length, usually between 4 and 6 inches, depending on your lollipop size. For paper straws, trim them neatly to avoid any frayed ends. A small piece of fine grit sandpaper can smooth any rough edges on wooden sticks, making them safe and pleasant to handle. Precision here ensures professional-looking results. Now for an important step, sterilization. If you're using wooden sticks, boil them in water for about 5 minutes to ensure they are food safe. Paper straws generally don't require boiling. After cleaning, let all your sticks air dry completely on a clean rack. Once dry, store them in an airtight container until you're ready to make your delicious lollipops. This keeps them hygienic and ready for use. Finally, it's time to use your homemade lollipop sticks. Gently insert them into your warm, pliable candy, ensuring they are centered and secure. Let your lollipops cool and harden completely, which will firmly set the stick in place. This easy method provides sturdy, custom sticks for all your sweet creations. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your crafting space tidy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.